Hi, I'm Dr. Lawrence Contreras. I am an assistant professor over at Touro University in the School of Physical Therapy. We are introducing our students with this type of activity to help get them have a better understanding of the Parkinson's conditions and that what they could potentially utilize in the future when they become licensed physical therapists. So we originally started partnering up with the trainers here at Rocksteady Boxing. With the trainers here at Rocksteady, they allowed our students to come in at a volunteer basis to do some of their service hours that they're required to do as a physical therapist student. As they started completing it, we started to see a lot of the love and passion for being volunteers here. So we started to connect directly with the trainers to see if there were opportunities to introduce activities like we're doing today, such as a field trip, to have a better understanding and create a closer connection with this population.
Hi, my name is Orlando Illustrissimo. I'm one of the coaches here at Rock City Boxing Green Valley. I'm pretty much the head coach. I'm kind of in charge of the other coaches to make sure we get our program developed to help out people with Parkinson fight back. Yeah, so for today, what we're doing is we're trying to help the Touro student to learn on how we have specific exercise to help people with Parkinson with their tremor, with their rigid movement, with their slow movement. So different type of exercise that's more specific for people with Parkinson.